Okay, we're going to install a ghost edge connector for the Glock 43. And we'll take it out of the package. Let me, hold on for a second, let me go get stuff we're going to need here. Kind of ill prepared. We're going to break out the Glock tool. It's just a 3/32 punch. I'm going to use my block. I'll put the connector in here so we don't lose it. Okay, first of all, don't feel strip it. Should unload it, point in a safe direction, pull the trigger. I like to bring it back into my stomach and do it. It's easier for me. Okay, I got it apart. Pull the barrel. So the slide set everything on the side over there. Always, when you take out the pins, we go right to left. I mean left to right, I'm sorry. I'll wiggle this around until we get it out. Wiggle it some more. There it goes, there it goes. Came out, perfect. Got that pin in there. Knock out the back pin. This top bar here. Let me get a screwdriver again and we'll pull out with a screwdriver. Use a screwdriver here. There it goes. Pretty tight in there. Oh. Put that in there. Slide stop came out with it. Put that in there. Pull out the whole trigger assembly. The bar's a little tricky on there. You just turn it and snap it out. There's a little, it goes up underneath there. And get the little screwdriver out. Get up underneath it, get a little prying thing. There we go. Pull that one out. Set it off to the side so we don't get them confused. Take the other one. Just as is. Push it back in there. Now we'll put it back together. You're going to get underneath that little lip. Oh, it's a little trick to it. Be patient when you're trying to do it. It'll go in. There it goes. Right in there. Perfect. Okay. Put it back in the frame. Like that. Put the slide stop in. But this one here, it has a little spot here. Or it sits in there right up in front there. Right there is where the little spring goes. Slide stop fits in there like that. Put this other piece in here that we took out. Like that. We got it back together. Like I said, we go the opposite way, so we're going to go right to left when we put the pins back in. Put that one in first. It doesn't matter which one you put in first, the back one or the front one. Let's make sure everything's lined up pretty good. It looks like it's pretty well lined up. There we go. Put that in there. Here comes the tricky part, trying to wiggle it together. See if we get it in there a little bit. There we go. Got it in there. For it to click in place. Now we'll put the slide back on. Put the barrel in. Put the spring in. Slide on. Much bigger improvement. How cool. How cool. Man, that's cool. Alright, there you go. Super easy, super fast. Now you did a trigger job on it. Watch the other video that came on before this one about polishing the interiors. You have the smoking gun. Smoking. Perfect.